Hello everyone, it's me again. I'm back with take 2 of this video. My phone just kind of like took a dump right in the middle of the video, and I don't know how to slice things together or any of that, so we're doing this over again. And I'm not quite sure, but my bead video might have taken up too much space, so who knows if this is even going to work. But I'm going to try to get through this really quick, because this baby needs to go in the mail tomorrow. Okay, this one has 4 signatures, and sorry if I'm going to go really fast, but I'm going to try to get it done before the video stops videoing. This cover is made with a cereal box and cardstock and 2 layers of fabric on the outside and fabric on the spine. And all this is patchworked together. This is a headband that I shortened up and used it as a closure, and I'm probably going to add something to it. I'm just not quite sure what yet. But this cover was inspired by Amity Bloom. I will link her video below that I watched on how she did her cover. I did mine slightly different, but I always do everything slightly different because I always have to do it my own way. Even though I watched somebody else's video, I still have to do it my own way. But it was inspired by her after watching her video, doing the stripe patchwork. I super love it. I did a few mistakes, but I just left it because I love it. And that is what a junk journal is, right? She's a chunky monkey, and I will link everybody's in the description box that I used in here, which is all my usual ladies, like Artie Mays and Old Design Shop, and probably Tsunami Rose, and Nevermore Creation 17 I know is in here. All this lace I got from the vintage stash that I got from my local store, and some little pieces are like this pom-pom is from Wish, the app Wish, and Dreams Etc. I haven't done any stamping in here yet, and I'm just going to whip through this thing really quick and I'm so sorry that I have to go fast, but I don't know if I have enough storage on my phone to do this whole video. Most everything is coffee dyed and sewn. My ephemera is mostly sewn. The pocket is sewn on. Fabric washi tape, Edith Holden pages, vintage book pages, vintage paper my friend gave me. I have a hair hanging off me somewhere and it's driving me nuts. Just plain washi, and some fabric pieces, Tsunami Rose, a pocket, graphic 45, and I just sewed that onto some coffee dye paper, made a pocket out of it. This flips down, and this is from Pinterest. This is Tsunami Rose, and this is off of the label from Nick the Booksmith. I just salvaged it and made a little paper clip out of it. And this paper right here is beet dyed. I dyed some, or canned some beets with my mom and sister yesterday, and with the beet juice I went outside and beet dyed me up some paper, and I love it. It's beautiful. So pretty. I have this dark color, and I got a lighter color as well. And I just put that on there, and that on there. And I just weaved some ribbon through there, sewn around that. And, oopsie, doggy's thrown a... His voice is so scary. It's so loud. Nevermore Creations, and so is this one. And I just sewed it, backed it with some lace tulle and made my own little tag and clipped it on. So, and this is just a little journaling space Nevermore Creations right there too. Pretty in pink, I think she calls that little kit. And that's why I put pink on it. Fabric washi, Edith Holden. A little... These are some postcards I got off eBay. And this is off Pinterest, backed with beat dyed paper. I love that paper. It's so pretty. And this is Nevermore Creations, and I made a paper clip out of it. And just clipped this closed, like so. Like that. Thought that was cute. Oh, and I got beads on some of these. Why there's two on this one, I do not know. I'm going to have to move one. That's crazy. What the... How did I do that? And Pinterest, Dreams, etc. Envelope, and there's nothing inside. I just clipped that on, that underneath. And this is another paper clip I did, and this is Nevermore Creations, backed with beat dyed paper. And this is a pocket, and I didn't put anything in it. And I just sewed some lines on it and did some stamping. And pages from Daphne's Diary. And this is another paper clip I made. And I just clipped that on there. And this is some more leftover paper she can journal on. And over here is another photo off Pinterest. Vintage wallpaper pocket and a journaling card. This flips out. It's just for decoration. You can journal on it. This is a little bag of goodies that she can decorate some more in her book if she wants. There's just a whole bunch of like tabs and just little stuff out of my stash that she can decorate this book some more with if she wants, or a different book if she wants. Just a big journaling card. This is a Pinterest backed on there, and all these are sewn. And I left a lot of strings, so if she doesn't like those, she can cut them off. And this is actual vintage from 1958 ticket, and it's written on the back too. Super cool. An old postcard, very old, and Pinterest. Oh my goodness, I'm not even halfway through this book yet. Oh my gosh, what was I thinking? And this is just some extra journaling. Flips out. I think I might be doing some more stamping in here though, because, or some stenciling or something. That's already made. Extra paper. Nevermore Creations, 17. There's a little flip up, flip down. Nevermore Creations, 17. Fabric washi. This has got a lot of journaling in here, just like a lot of paper. Nevermore Creations 17 and some washi. And this is also hers, and a guest check with coffee dyed paper on the back. And this is a little tuck spot right there. I just had to stop putting things in here because there's so much paper in here. This thing is too chunky. Vintage wallpaper and floating envelope. And then these two sewn pieces of ephemera. And these little envelopes were also inspired by Nazi. I love these doilies. And the lady that this book is going to, she sent me these. And here we go. Some more. This is some more vintage wallpaper. Another pocket. I just did some layering. Back that on some paper. And this is just a flip over tag, and it's just a couple little Ardennes jars. Just some extra journaling. And this is a little Rita Donnelly flip. Just these two. Some more sewn lines. Nevermore Creations. 17. Don't forget the 17, because you won't get there if you don't put the 17 on there. I messed up and did not put the right link below, so I learnt my lesson. There we go. Ephemera's Vintage Garden, I believe. Yeah, Ephemera's Vintage Garden and Pinterest. And vintage wallpaper. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And this is a big old pocket up here. A big old journaling card. Get in there. And there's also another one on this side, and it's just got memories on it, this one. Nevermore Creation 17. That as well. And this is some vintage wallpaper, another clip, repair tag, and these cards, this little envelope and this card, I just stuck the back side of the card in there. Came from the old design shop. So cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. Another postcard. Out. Another paper clip I made. Nevermore Creation 17. Pinterest. Another pocket with some extra journaling and a journaling card. And back here I made a lace pocket with this pretty cute little card I made up. Pinterest. I'm gonna have to glue that. I don't like that. Another little journaling booklet. And another card tag that I made. We made it, ladies! Oh my goodness, we made it before my phone took a dump. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you like it. And thank you so much for sticking with me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.